Hi all and welcome to my channel. Let's paint a seascape with night sky and lightning. First of all, apply masking fluid to our lightning. We will use a limited color palette. You can remove ochre from yellow ones. We only need 4 or 5 colors. You will also need napkins. Here I will use two types of brushes. I separated the border between sky and water with tape. Make sure the masking fluid is dry. Moisten the entire sky area with water. And we begin to apply the first layer of paint. In the lightning start zone I lay warm yellow. Then I apply blue shades along the lightning contour. And on the remaining areas I apply a mix of 4 shades. I darken the top and bottom of our sky. And when I start tilting the board at an angle in different directions to give the paint freedom. I don't follow a clear plan and act intuitively. I take a brush and start to removing paint from the lightning contours. Remove the paint where we applied our warm shade and in places where you think it is necessary. After that, I wanted to add more blue in some places. That's it, it's time to dry our first layer. And when I didn't notice what my camera turned off, but don't panic, I will now repeat everything that I did. So, after our first layer has dried, I take our 4 colors and mix them with a lot of water. Next, I take a flat brush and completely cover our sky with our mix. Don't forget to tilt a board at an angle. Then I take the round brush again and start removing the paint. I also remove the paint from the area where our lightning starts. Now tilt the board a little from side to side to give our clothes a horizontal direction. And when I already like the result, I'm drying the work. Now we remove the tape and start painting water. Here I use more paints gray and sepia. I make rough strokes and very little water in my brush. You don't have to take the next step. I decided to take white color and lighten the place where our lighting starts. And dry the work. Now we remove the masking fluid. Then I correct some details. After that, go along the outline of the lightning with a well-moistened brush. This step is needed to slightly color our lightning. That's it, our work is ready.